Hey everyone, it's me, Megs, and I am here with a protective style personality unit, and I'm loving this blunt bob from MyFirstWig, y'all. So this is a super easy, beginner-friendly wig, again, by MyFirstWig, and this is the Aries wig. This is their Malaysian hair blunt bob lace front wig, and this texture is silky. I did wash and condition the wig before applying it because it just gives you a better end result as far as styling goes. So the hairline on this wig is super, super bomb. It has amazing invisible lace, easy to melt. We're going to see if that's true in a little bit though. So this lace is really, really nice. It has the ultimate melted lace hairline, which makes it really beginner friendly. And I wanted to test this out on my complexion because, sometimes if you are a darker complexion, the lace can have the ability to look a little ashy. And so far, so good when I kind of put it against my arm here. So we're going to see even more later how this lace is lacing. So to me, this lace looked a little, like the knots were bleached a little bit in my opinion, but the lace color is light brown, and I'll have all the specs down in the description. And it does have adjustable elastic band in here, and it does have adjustable straps in the back, and this wig does have 3 combs in it, 1 in the back and 2 at the top. And there isn't any lace at the nape. And if you watch my most recent video on my do's and don'ts when it comes to wig wearing, I do not braid my hair, but you definitely can braid your hair. I don't. And I already did flat iron and kind of style the wig to prepare to, put it on, and it flat ironed really well. The hairline is super, super pretty, nice and pre-plucked. I don't have to do anything because I do consider myself a beginner when it comes to melting lace and, wigs with lace fronts that need to be melted. So I am going to wipe off a little bit of my makeup around my hairline so the wig adhesive can stick to my skin. And so I'm just going to make sure that's nice and cleaned up because I noticed in the past when I have makeup around there, it's hard for the lace to stick with the wig adhesive. So I do not do the bald cap method, but I would highly suggest it with this wig because the reason why I didn't do it because I was just going to go to bed and take the wig off, right after this video. And so I am going to put on some foundation. I use the Bobbi Brown foundation, the same foundation I use on my face. I put on my wig cap and a little bit on the wig itself to make sure that that lace is closer to my skin tone and looks a bit more natural. And as you can see, this lace is really nice and thin, and the bald cap method would be ideal for this wig. But again, I just take my wigs off right at nighttime, so I don't wear my wigs for an extended time. But I would suggest if you do, it would be like a flawless install, okay? So I am going to go ahead and cut the lace because I figured that I actually do like the wig now. I always wait to cut the lace until I really want to wear it to make sure I like it. So it was really easy to cut the lace off on this unit. And so far, it's meshing really well with my skin tone. And with this wig, since I did not do the bald cap method, I do have the wig a little bit lower than my natural hairline just to kind of hide the line of demarcation from the wig cap, okay? So that's why mine is a little bit lower. So I am going to use this Wig Dealer melting spray, which I love so much now that I know kind of how to use it since I am still a beginner, y'all. So I'm just going to put a few pumps. I'm not putting a whole bunch of this because, like I said, I do not sleep in my wigs. I don't wear them for an extended time. After this video, I took it off and I went to bed, y'all. So, I am going to put on kind of like this little piece of material around the hairline just to melt it a bit more, just so it can really get into the skin. Because I didn't have a long elastic band, so I just used the end of a t-shirt. And so boom, and this is how it's looking. I'm really surprised myself with how easy that was and how good it looks because this is a victory for me coming from someone who isn't good at melting lace. You know, practice does make perfect. I did put a little bit of face powder around the lace area to kind of, you know, get rid of some of that shine. And I am going to fix the parting with this Retouch, this black Retouch product by Garnier. And I just used my edge control brush to make a sharper line. And I wanted to close some of the gaps in the wig that I seen to make it look a bit more natural. And I am going to take some concealer and put that in the parting, and that also helped with, you know, hiding the demarcation line from my wig cap because I didn't do the bald cap method. But overall, I'm really liking how this install turned out. The wig itself is great quality, and this is 10 inches. That's what my stats say, but it almost seems like the wig is a little bit longer than 10 inches just based off how it's resting on my neck. So it has a lot of body, a lot of movement. I didn't experience any shedding, any tangling when it comes to this hair. The hair is super duper soft, and I am just loving the hairline. It was so easy to put on. Like I said before, I am a beginner. And so if it were up to me, I think I would cut just a little bit of the wig off as far as length because I wouldn't want it resting too much on my neck like this. But it's cute though. Like, I'm really satisfied with how this unit came out. I've been wearing it since filming this video and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. I love it so much. Everything that I use will be down in the description below, and feel free to stick around and watch more of my videos here on my YouTube channel.